So hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to download CentOS ISO image. Okay, so the first and foremost thing that you have to do is that visit CentOS. Okay, so here once you type CentOS in your browser, you'll see the first option is the CentOS project. Okay, you can either click on download option, or you can click on the CentOS project. Okay, so by default I'm just going to here, and here you could able to see there's a download option over there, right? So here we could see that there are two versions which is available over here, whether you can able to download the version 9th version, or you wanted to download the latest 10th version. Okay, so you can select your architecture, whether it is the 86 64-bit architecture. So according to your preferences, you can download your ISO image. So I'm just gonna go for the ISO 8664, click on matters. Okay, so here you can select the folder that you want. Okay, so click on save. Okay, so here I can able to see, so as I can see here now it's getting download, and according to your network speed it's gonna be getting download. Okay, see you in next video.